Hi guys, my name is Palak and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 9 of the Strong at Home challenge, and today we're going to do a killer ab workout. Yes, this workout, as the name suggests, is going to target your abs or your core. We're going to do a workout which is of 10 minutes non-stop, 30 seconds exercise each with a 15 seconds of rest interval. This is going to be a killer workout and I can't wait to do it with you guys. Alright guys, the first exercise we're going to do is called as a simple crunches. For this you're going to lie down, get the legs in tabletop position, support the neck and the head and come all the way up, crunching your upper abdomen. Let's get started. Time starts now. Don't crunch the neck, make sure your chest is coming off the floor. Keep going, breathe out as you come up. Last few. And relax there guys. Alright. Take 15 seconds, we're going to go into the next one. Alright guys, we're going to go now into bicycle crunches. We're going to just get the alternate shoulder close to the knee. Let's do this for 30 seconds. Time starts now. Keep going, shoulder towards the knee. Last few. Extend the legs. And relax there. Alright guys. Just breathe, catch your breath, extend those legs and stretch it out. Alright, the next one we're going to go into scissors. Get the chest up, neck up, chin tucked in, and we're going to just move the legs like this. Let's go for 30 seconds. Time starts now. Keep the legs a little lower and keep the knees straight. Keep going, don't stop. And last few, relax. Alright guys, good job there. Catch your breath, just relax. Alright. Let's move on to the next one, which is called as the elbow plank, and you're gonna just come up your hip and back in one straight line. Let's do this for 30 seconds. Time starts now. Hold it up there, stomach tight. Keep going, breathe. Keep looking forward. Tight core. And relax. Alright guys, that's good. Take 15 seconds, breathe. And relax. Alright. Let's go into 30 seconds of side plank on one side, then we'll go the other side. Time starts Now, get the hip up and hold it up there. Stay, keep breathing. Just hold it there, relax. Last few and relax. Good job, guys. All right, take 15 seconds. We're gonna go towards the other side. All right, guys, let's go for 30 seconds. Side plank. Time starts now. Make sure your bottom hip is up. Keep pulling it up and hold it up there. Keep going, guys. Breathe out. Don't drop the hip. And relax. All right, guys. That's good work. Catch your breath. All right, guys. Let's go towards the next one, Russian twist. You're gonna just get the knees and the feet up and twist your body right and left side. Let's go. Time starts now. Try to look forward and just twist your upper abs. Keep going. Breathe. Back straight. And relax. All right, guys, good job. Catch your breath. All right, guys, the next one we're gonna do is a plank hold. This is called as a high plank. We're just gonna hold this for 30 seconds. Our back and hips are in one straight line. Let's go. Time starts now. Hold it up there. Don't drop. Stomach tight. Push the ground with the palms. Use the fingers to grip the floor. Keep breathing there. Keep going. Stomach tight. Last few. All right, guys. That's really good. Relax. All right, guys. Let's move on to the next one, which is called as the boat pose. Now for this, we are just gonna get the feet up, make a V with the body, arms on the side, and we're going to hold this for the 30 seconds. Keep the back straight, make sure you're not overarching or you're not rounding the spine. Let's go. 30 seconds. Time starts now. Keep holding this, breathe out. Long neck. Feel the burn in the core. All right, keep going there. Feel the burn. Breathe out. And relax. Good job, guys. I hope you're feeling a great burn in those abs because I'm definitely feeling it. Alright guys, we're gonna go towards the last exercise, which is called as the commandos. Now for this one, we're gonna go into elbow plank, and from there we're gonna change and go into high plank. We do this for 30 seconds. Time starts now. Change, just use your core and down. Keep going. Stomach tight. Don't drop the hip down or the knees down. Last few. And relax. Alright guys, that was really amazing. Grab a small sip of water. Alright guys, you did amazing job. Congratulations on completing this 10-minute non-stop ab workout. If you like this workout, then please do give a thumbs up and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Please do let me know in the comment sections below which exercise was the most difficult for you. I'll see you soon again with another solid workout video. Till then, take care. Bye.